The world of transportation is evolving at a rapid pace. Challenges and opportunities await behind every turn. In search of reliability, availability, and performance, partnering with the right power solution expert has a big impact on your business. That's why we are proud to announce the new Traco Power THN, TEN, and TEP series of railway certified DC-DC converters with an ultra-wide input voltage range. We think these are true changers. For the first time in history, application engineers can target an ultra-wide range of DC voltages with a single Traco Power product. Let's take a few minutes to see how that works. Imagine you are a systems engineer designing a new monitoring and tracking device for buses, light rail vehicles, and locomotives. The device is connected to the DC battery backup system of the vehicle, so it provides accurate readings whenever needed. While reviewing requirements from your customers, you discover that the vehicles you are targeting have different battery voltages, including the industry standard 24 volt, 48 volt, and 110 volt. You had successfully completed such projects in the past, but it always required you to create multiple power supply designs. What if we tell you this is no longer necessary? With our new ultra-wide products, system builders only need to engineer one power delivery circuit. Instead of prototyping, testing, certifying, procuring, manufacturing, supporting, and maintaining multiple designs, engineers can fully concentrate on their one application. From a business perspective, this means shortening time to market, decreasing total cost of ownership, and reducing supply chain complexity. Of course, our new ultra-wide railway certified DC-DC converters provide all the benefits you expect from a genuine Traco Power railway and ruggedized product. Railway certified, ultra-wide 12-to-1 input voltage range, dedicated hold-up capacitor pin, industry standard footprints, 3-year product warranty. The Traco Power ultra-wide product lines come in 10 different series, with output power options ranging from 10 watt all the way to 200 watt. Our products are available through our regional sales network approved distribution partners. For more information, data sheets, and certificates, please visit our website at www.tracopower.com.